Chile Relleno, let's go. Turn on your burners and we're going to char our chiles and set to the side. We're going to blend 6 tomatoes, half an onion, and 2 garlic cloves. And then we're going to strain them. In a hot pot with oil, cook your tomato base. When it comes to a boil, lower the heat, add your cilantro, season, and let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. When your sauce is done, set it to the side and start to peel and clean your chiles. When your chiles are ready, start to fill them with the filling of your choice. I'm using queso panela and chili. Now that they're filled, we can roll them in flour. Now we can start to whisk our egg whites until they become a foamy, thick consistency. Roll your chile in your egg whites, place in a pan with hot oil, cook till it's browned on one side, flip and brown on the other side. Heat up your sauce, place your chiles in the sauce, and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium-low heat. Serve your chile with some sauce on top. Eat and buen provecho.